Welcome home to Redstone Apartments in Manchester, New Hampshire. I'd like to take you on a video tour of a beautiful 853 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. As you come in from the hallway, you'll have this beautiful little foyer. There is a closet here for storage, and this is a great little spot for a console table, a place to drop all your belongings when you come in for the day. And then it opens up into this dining space. Great spot for a table and chairs. Right next to your kitchen, fully equipped with a full-size refrigerator, a electric range with overhead microwave. You can see a dishwasher, plenty of cabinet and countertop space, and a stainless steel sink. Overhead lighting makes cooking a breeze here. You come out of that kitchen, the dining area opens right up into this beautiful large living room. Look at that double window, lets in lots of natural light. This is a second floor apartment. Nice plush carpeting throughout this living room and the bedrooms here. Space for a entertainment center, a large couch, chairs, coffee table. And right here is where you'll find your stackable washer and dryer. That's a very convenient amenity to have in your apartment. Let's take a look at the primary bedroom. This is a corner apartment, so you can see windows on two sides. Great way to let in lots of natural air and light to this bedroom. You can fit a queen-size bed in here without any problem. And there is a double closet right here as well. There is an ensuite bathroom for this primary bedroom. You can see that there's a window in here as well, and a full-sized shower and tub. There is a mirror with overhead lighting and a vanity. And there's even a little area here for storing some of your bathroom essentials. There is central air and heat in this building. And we welcome your furry friends. Bring your large dogs and cats. Here's the second bedroom and bathroom. You can see that this one has some linen storage shelving, and again another full-size tub and shower with the overhead light and mirror over the vanity. Lots of floor space in these bathrooms too. And here's your second bedroom. Again, nice plush carpeting, large window, all of the blinds are included here. And you can see that there is another closet as well. On site, we have a dog park, we have a playground, and we have grilling areas. This is a very convenient location, just moments from South Willow Street, and plenty of shopping, groceries, and dining opportunities. There is even a bus stop for the Manchester Transit system right across the street. If you'd like more information, you can call or text our office at 603-782-0100, or check out all our available apartments online at redoakproperties.com. If you click the Red Oak logo that you see here, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and be the first to get all of our latest Red Oak videos.